To descale this coffee machine, you just need to go through a few of these easy steps. The first thing to do is to remove the water tank. In this case, I'm moving also the filter. You can replace it later or put a new one in. I'm using citric acid to clean the pipes on the coffee machine. Just putting in 2 or 3 teaspoons and mixing it. Make sure it's completely dissolved before you put it into the tank. Fill it up to the top because you will need quite a lot of water. The next thing to do is to replace the water tank. When you've done that, press the menu button on the left hand side of the grind mount. You can then select the descale or flush. In this case, I'm selecting descale. Make sure you put a large bowl under the steam wand and also the hot water. Press the knob in the middle and then press the single cup, the one that's highlighted. And that will go through its sequence. When that's finished, it will then go to the hot water. Now D2 is for the hot water. Rotate the knob on the right hand side and then the hot water should appear. When that's gone through that process, it's then the steam wand. Rotate back to the steam. When that process is done, you then get to the R. Now R3 is basically further descaling. Go through the process until it gets to R1 and then empty the water out from the water tank and refill with ordinary water. Now you can be on the flush. Press the cup, single cup, and now it will be in process. Now this takes approximately 4 or 5 minutes. Just let it run until it gets to the end. When that's done, empty out the water again. As you can see now, it's gone down to 0. If you want to then replace the filter, you can by squeezing the holding container to release the filter. If you're going to put a new one in, then set it to the month by rotating the top. Reassemble, same way as you took it apart, just in reverse. And fit it back into the water tank. Just make sure you get it around the right way. Just push it down, make sure it's in correctly. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a difficulty in doing that. But push it down and that's it. Make sure it's in place and then fill up with water. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And that's it. Please like and subscribe.